Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can import cities in the Xilancer Freelancer Marketplace Platform from the CSV file. Let's go to the admin panel and click on Country Manage. Now click on Cities. Here you will find all the cities you will imported, or you can manually add cities one by one as per your need. So before importing city, you need to import state as well. Without state, cities import will not work. For this video tutorial, I am creating a state so that I can show you how you can import cities. The same process applied for the state as well. For adding or import state, you must need to have country in the country list. If you want to add state manually, you have to click on this button. I have adding a test state so that I can show you the cities import. Selecting in the India, you can set the time zone as well. Click on the save button. Now I will select a file which will contain all the cities list of India. You will find the CSV file almost every country cities file available in the internet. You can find it internet, or you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate the CSV file for yourself so that you can import it easily. Or click on open, click on submit. Now you need to select country first. In our case, country is India, and the state we will select test state. For the city column, we will select the city. This city and state is basically the column your CSV file has. We are using a file from the GitHub, which is this one, India, state and cities. So you can see it has two columns, cities and state. So exactly then the same two column will be mapped through here, cities and state. So what we need to select, we are going to import city, so we need to select the city column. So let's come here, click on the cities. Now click on import. It will take a while. As you can see, it has import 1188 cities. If you click on the cities, you will see all the cities imported under the country of India and the state. So this is how you can import cities in the Xilancer Marketplace platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.